These are the reusable straw set, a convenient 4-pack bundle that includes everything you need for drinking on the go. You get a total of 20 pieces including metal straw with silicone tips, cleaning brushes, travel cases, and keychains. The metal straw are durable and designed for everyday drink like water, iced coffee, smoothie, or juice. Each straw features a silicone tip for added comfort while drinking. The compact travel cases with keychains make this easy to carry in a bag, backpack, or attached to your keys. They are simple to clean using the included brushes, making them easy to reuse. This is a practical and stylish option for everyday use at home or on the go.